Hi, this is John with WTI, and the fact that having candy that is gonna be not too high in sugars, but at the same time it tastes really good. These lifesavers are just a lifesaver for me, and I'll tell you why. So I play several sports, basketball and football, and when I start playing, I have a downgrade of insulin, which is drops down my sugar levels, and just having one or two of these guys are just saviors for me because from time to time I would get like severe headaches of just like having this insulin levels and having this convenience of just going to my backpack and grabbing one or two of these guys keeps me up at level and it keeps me out of the headaches that I would get whenever I'm playing basketball or soccer. The taste of this candies, which are different from one time to time, the sugar flavors, this fruit flavors, sorry, they're pretty good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.